All for joining this live trading session. Good to see hundreds of you in here. Let's kick this straight off. Now, of course, you know, I cannot tell you what to do. Everything you do is your own decision. Don't invest anything you can't afford to lose. Any advice is general in nature. Yeah, I mean, if we look at the 1 hour on gold, you can see straight away we've got a trend line support here. The prior resistance is, I mean, basically from this level here, right? So if we get our box drilled across, you can see we're approaching that level now. This is the 1 hour on gold futures. This trend line support, it's got quite a few data points, right? So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 data points. So I know when I hit that again, probabilities are that we could have a bit of selling pressure here. Sorry, buying pressure, not selling pressure. So we're currently at a pretty interesting point here. So we're at approaching this trend line support. We're in this prior resistance, which we would expect to hold as support now. Come a little bit lower like that. So if we wanted to take a trade that gave us a good risk to reward, we'd be looking to get some fills around here with our stops below that level and targeting new highs. This is very risky because it is at all-time highs, so we don't have any data or any levels to analyze or go off. But what I do know is I've got a horizontal resistance about here. So that'd be my resistance zone. So obviously the trend is up. We're going to be looking for buyers because the buyers are clearly in control. We're approaching our trend line support. We've got our horizontal support. We've got bullish candle psychology on that 1 hour with a bit of deep value. But I don't think if we go down to the 15, we had a buy signal there on the 15. So that's an entry there, right? That's an entry there. But if we entered now, we'd be entering late, which means our risk to reward would be off, because if we had our stop loss under here and we were targeting, you know, the first take profit would be at the prior resistance, we're actually risking more than we would make. But if we were like this, we could take that. That's a 1-to-1 that could turn into a 1-to-2 or 1-to-3 with a breakout. Okay, but you can see you've got the buy signal there on the 15, you've got the deep value on the 1 hour, all these things. You can see how I just stacked all those probabilities, James. That's what you want to look at when you're doing an analysis on any asset. What are the probabilities? What do we start with? Higher time frame, trend, accumulation, market structure, candle psychology, EMAs. That's what we're looking at. All right, pretty simple analysis on gold, but I'm sure that makes sense. If you need any more clarification, let me know. Awesome.